You have learned about the definition of a rational number. A number in fractional form in which the numerator and denominator both are integers is known as a rational number. Here we have some examples of rational numbers. Here you can see in these numbers, in each of these numbers, the numerator as well as the denominator are integers. Now these are not the only numbers which are rational numbers. There are many more examples. There are infinitely many rational numbers. We can look at some examples here. Now this is a whole number or natural number 4. Now this number can be written in fractional form as 4 over 1. Now there is no difference between 4 or 4 over 1. When we are writing the number as 4 over 1, what we are doing, we are writing in fractional form. So the numerator is an integer, the denominator is an integer. So 4 over 1, that is 4 is a rational number. In the same way, we can write many more examples in this, like 5. 5 is also a rational number. 5 can be written as 5 over 1. In the same way, any negative integer like minus 4 can be written as minus 4 over 1. So this is again a rational number. Even 0 is also a rational number. 0 can always be written as 0 over 1. The condition for a number to be rational number is the numerator and denominator should be integers and the denominator should not be 0. Here the numerator is 0 but the denominator is 1. So 0 is also a rational number. Although we write a rational number and a fraction in same manner, that is both have numerator and denominator, yet there is some difference between them. In appearance, both the fractions and rational numbers, they are alike. Even the operations which we use on them are same, like we can always add or subtract or multiply or divide the rational numbers just as we do in case of fractions. But there is some difference between their meaning. They are absolutely different from each other if we go deep into it, the meaning of rational number. Let us take an example. Suppose I am taking this number 7 over 10. Now as a fraction, 7 over 10 means 7 out of 10. That is, the denominator is always a whole from which the number of numerator, that is 7, can be taken out of 10. But if we look at this number as a rational number, it means a ratio between 7 and 10, where 7 and 10 are two different numbers and we are writing a ratio between them. Now 7 is to 10 and 7 out of 10 are two different things. So there is a big difference between a rational number and a fraction. Also another difference between them is a fraction can never be negative. We never write minus 4 out of 10 or minus 4 out of 7. We can never write this. But as a rational number, minus 4 over 7 is possible. So this number cannot be called a fraction. It is a rational number. So safely we can say that all the numbers which you have learned so far, starting from LKG to your present class, they are rational numbers. We'll learn about some other number systems. Those are irrational numbers, but that we will be doing in the higher classes. So far, whatever number you are knowing are rational numbers, whether they are integers or natural numbers or fractions or whole numbers, they all are the rational numbers.